company. I want to introduce you our Madeline fabric. First of all, I want to wish everyone healthy days, that we recover soon from this pandemic and return to our normal lives. Madeline is a really unique and revolutionary technology for world of nonwovens. For many years, I think the dream of the nonwoven industry has been to develop materials that has similar properties with textiles that can be used in clothing and home textiles. So we believe Madeline is bridging the gap between nonwovens and traditional textiles. So what is Madeline? Madeline is a hybrid nonwoven technology that combines spun-bond and hydroentangling. So principally we produce microfilaments which are almost 100 times thinner than human hair, and then we entangle them with water jets composed of polyester and polyamide. So if we look at the different application areas, I believe one of the most unique and important application area is the clothing. So as you can see, it can be used for a suit that looks very nice. It can be used as a shirt. It can be used as a denim look material. If you recall, in the previous index exhibition, we distributed this shirt. It is a very good material, especially for outdoor clothing, as coats, jackets. It can be used alone or in combination with other textile fabrics. It can also be used for underwear material. Another important application area is the medical area. The face masks is one of the important applications. The material have a bacterial filtration efficiency up to 98%, depending on the weight of the material. So it can either be used as a social mask that you can wash and reuse, or it can be used in combination with spun-bond on other layers to make medical masks or dust masks, industrial masks. Also, we can make medical clothing, medical scrubs from Madeline with a extra treatment. It can be blood and alcohol repellent. Another application area is shoes and bags. As you can see, you can make a very nice shoe with Madeline fabric, or in the sole of a slipper. We can also make very nice bags, especially the printability of the material gives very good results. Wipes is one of the main applications for Madeline material. Due to its high absorbency, quick drying, washability, and good cleaning and wiping performance, it's really a very good dry wipe. If you look at some other applications, as I mentioned, the material has very good anti-mite property, which gives the anti-allergic properties. So it can be used as either a pillowcase or mattress encasing, which prevents the mites and gives a relief to asthma sufferers. We are very happy to introduce Madeline fabric as a very versatile material that can be used in very different applications. Thank you.